In this video, I'm going to show you the ways on what you should do with your Roblox support ticket. So first thing, let's understand what is actually a Roblox support ticket. So a Roblox support ticket is a system in which player can email Roblox staff for help and get a response from them. So a player receives customer ticket soon after sending the request. When you have contacted the support team, you might have submitted a request or a report. Then in response to the following request, this ticket has been submitted to you. So basically what you can do with the Roblox ticket is that first of all, you can log in into your account and navigate to the support section to check the status of your ticket. Sometimes be delayed, so it's important to be patient. And if you receive a response from Roblox support, you can read thoroughly, and the response might contain instructions of further questions you need to address to resolve the issues. And if Roblox support asks for more information, make sure to provide it as accurate and promptly as possible. This could include screenshot, account details, and description and other information as well. And likewise, follow any steps or instruction given by the support team. This might involve troubleshooting steps or verifying certain details about your control and as well. Make sure to communicate clearly and politely. Avoid using slangs or being confrontational, as clear and professional communication helps resolve issues and effectively. So by following this step, you can ensure that the Roblox support ticket is managed effectively and that you need to give yourself the best chance of having the issue resolved quickly. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.